Simple instructions. The order of instructions to do a task is important. Let us see the sequence of instructions to sharpen the pencil and write with it in the notebook. Step 1. Take a sharpener, a pencil and a notebook. Step 2. Insert the pencil in the sharpener. Step 3. Rotate it clockwise. Step 4. Write Hello World with the pencil in the notebook. Every task from sharpening pencil to making rockets has a sequence of steps that need to be followed. To do any task, follow the given steps. List the main steps of the task. Divide each main step into smaller steps. Follow the sequence of steps. Let us take an example to make a fruit salad. First, list the main steps. Step 1. Arrange fruits. Step 2. Cut fruits. Step 3. Add ingredients. Step 4. Serve the fruit salad. Now, divide these steps and list smaller steps. Step 1. Arrange fruits. Step 1A. Choose the fruits you want to eat. Step 1B. Sort and keep them in a plate. Step 2. Cut the fruits. Step 2A. Wash the fruits with clean water. Step 2B. Peel the fruits that need to be peeled. Step 2C. Pick a knife and cut them into cubes. Step 3. Add ingredients. Step 3A. Add salt to taste. Step 3B. Squeeze half a lemon. Step 4. Serve the salad. Step 4A. Take out plates from the kitchen drawer. Step 4B. Put the fruit salad on the plates. Step 4C. Garnish the fruit salad with some lettuce or coriander. The process of completing one step and going on to the other is known as stepwise thinking. Let us look at another example. Planning birthday party. You have to plan and organize a birthday party. How will you organize things in proper order? To organize a birthday party, follow the given steps. Step 1. Make a list of family members and friends to be invited. Step 2. Decide the time and place for the party. Step 3. Inform family members and friends about the party place through phone calls or email. Step 4. Greet the guest with love and warmth. Step 5. Start and enjoy the party. If you miss one step or do not write the steps in the correct order, the output will not be what you want it to be.